Now let us start second video on differentiation by using log. Actually in the first video I just explained the fundamental and the forms where we are using the log. Now here just I will show you some different varieties of the problems better, and I will explain that because so that you whenever you are solving the problems you should not commit the mistakes. So in order to avoid those mistakes, you just go through these problems. I'm going to explain one by one. Now I'm taking certain more problems. Now this question number 10. Question number 10 is what? That is question number 10. That is what we can say. It is y is equal to sin x whole to the power cos x plus this is cos x whole to the power sin x. Now differentiation of this, you are supposed to find out dy over dx. It is given to you y is equal to sin x whole to the power cos x plus cos x whole to the power sin x. Here also sin x whole to the power cos x, that is one function is in the power of another function, and cos x whole to the power sin x, that is also one function in terms of another in the power of another function. Now as there is a plus sign, due to this plus sign we cannot take the log directly. Why we cannot take the log? Because we know this is what log m into n is equal to log m plus log n, but there is no formula for this. Log m plus n, that is not equal to log m plus log n. ये फार्मूला नहीं होता है, इसलिए हम यहाँ पर डायरेक्ट लॉग अप्लाई नहीं कर सकते. नाउ दिस इज द फर्स्ट one function is in the power of another function, the second one function is in the power of another function. इन दोनों के बीच में जो साइन आ रहा है that is plus sign. Due to this plus sign we cannot take the log directly. By mistake if you have written taking log of both the sides, so यहीं पर प्रॉब्लम रॉन्ग हो जाएगा और इसके आगे बिल्कुल आपका चेक नहीं किया जाएगा. तो इसको सॉल्व कैसे करते हैं, हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम बेटा. सो दिस इज व्हाट, फर्स्ट वाले को यू जस्ट सपोज दैट इज इक्वल टू u एंड सेकंड वाले को दैट इज व्हाट इट इज इक्वल टू v. तो आपके पास क्या हो गया, y इज इक्वल टू u प्लस v. Y is equal to how much? That is u plus v. Now differentiating with respect to x, इसको x के रिस्पेक्ट में डिफरेंशिएट करिए. What you are getting, that is dy over dx, that is equal to du over dx plus dv over dx, and put it equation number 1. Now this first one you have supposed as u, second one you have supposed as v, and now you are getting y is equal to u plus v. Differentiating with respect to x, so what you will get, that is dy over dx is equal to du over dx plus dv over dx. That means what, in order to find out the value of dy over dx, we will have to find the values of du over dx and dv over dx separately. So how you will find, this is what du over dx and dv over dx. Now see here, तो हमें माने dy over dx निकालने के लिए what should be our aim? Our aim should be to find out the value of du over dx and dv over dx. Find the value of du over dx and dv over dx separately and finally put it here. You can get the value of du over dx. So first I am telling you how you are going to calculate du over dx. Now you have supposed u is equal to sin x whole to the power cos x. This is what u is equal to sin x whole to the power cos x. Now one function is in the power of another function. Taking log of both the sides, I'm not going to write that. Taking log of both the sides, so what you will have, log of u is equal to, that is cos of log of sin x. Using power formula, power पहले आ जाएगी cos x into log sin x. Now differentiating with respect to x. Now differentiating with respect to x, that is d over dx of log of u, that is it is product of two functions, so that is equal to cos x into d over dx of, this is a log of sin x, and plus this is a log of sin x into d over dx of cos x. इसको डिफरेंशिएट करना है. So now see here, that is what we can say, log u का डिफरेंशिएशन क्या होगा, that will be equal to 1 upon u, and u का कितना आएगा, that is du over dx by applying the chain rule. Now it is cos x, that is equal to cos x and differentiation of log sin x. Log sin x का क्या होगा, 1 upon this is sin x, और sin x का differentiation क्या होगा, that will be equal to cos x plus log sin x plus this is a log of sin x, and differentiation of cos x is what, that is minus of sin x. Now use cross multiplication, du over dx is equal to u times of, this is what, cos x, and cos x upon sin x, that is equal to what, cot x, and this is minus sin x into log of sin x. Now put the value of u, so that is what, du over dx is equal to, u is equal to how much, that is sin x whole to the power cos x. So it is sin x whole to the power cos x. Now it is cos x into cot x minus sin into log of sin x. Now you have calculated the du over dx. Now you just find the value of dv over dx. dv over dx कैसे निकालेंगे, यहाँ से क्या है, that is v is equal to, that is cos x whole to the power sin x. v is equal to cos x whole to the power sin x. One function is in the power of another function, so you take the log of both the sides. Now when you are taking the log, that is what, log of v is equal to how much, sin x into log of cos x. पावर पहले आ जाएगी और इसको अब आपको डिफरेंशिएट करना है. When you are differentiating it, you see what you are going to get. Differentiating with respect to x, that is what, d over dx of log of v is equal to, it is what, product of two functions sin x into d over dx of log of cos x, and plus this is what, log of cos x into d over dx of sin x. I am not writing here differentiating both the sides with respect to x, but whenever you are solving this problem in board exam, you should write it. log v का डिफरेंशिएशन क्या होगा, that is equal to 1 upon v, और v का क्या हो गया, that is dv over dx by chain rule. That is what, it is sin x. log cos x का क्या होगा, 1 upon cos x, और cos x का क्या आएगा, minus sin x, and plus this is log of cos x and d over dx of sin x, that is equal to cos x. Use cross multiplication. Now dv over dx is equal to v times of, this is minus, it is sin x, और sin x upon, ये sin x हो गया, ये minus sin हो गया, sin x, and sin x upon cos x, that is equal to how much, it is 10x, and plus this is what, cos x into log of cos x हो गया. Now put the value of v what you had assumed, v is equal to cos x whole to the power sin x. Therefore dv over dx is equal to, in place of v what we are going to write, cos x whole to the power sin x. So that is what, cos x whole to the power sin x into, this is minus sin x into, it is 10x plus cos x into log of cos x. Now you have got the value of du over dx, यहाँ से ये हो गया du over dx की वैल्यू, ये हो गया dv over dx की वैल्यू, and finally you have to substitute these values here in order to find out the value of dy over dx. देखिए वहां पर substitute करते हैं, substitute करके आपको दिखाते हैं कि what will be the result. Now it is, this is what that result is. इसका result थोड़ा सा लिखने में बड़ा होता है. देखिए this is what, because you are supposed to write the value of du over dx and dv over dx both. यहाँ से क्या आएगा, dy over dx is equal to, du over dx के प्लेस पर कितना है, what is du over dx, du ओवर dx के प्लेस पर अभी हमने उसको रफ कर दिया जो निकाला था, सो दैट इज इक्वल टू du ओवर dx के प्लेस पर क्या आएगा, दैट इज द फंक्शन है, इट इज sin x टू द पावर cos x, दैट इज इक्वल टू sin x होल टू द पावर cos x into sin x whole to the power cos x, so that is equal to, it is what, cos x into cot x minus sin x into log of this is sin x. I think this was the value of du over dx plus dv over dx, आपने ये इवेल्युएट किया है, so that is equal to how much, cos x whole to the power, this is what, sin x into minus sin x into this is 10x and plus this is cos x into log of, it is cos of x, and this will be the required result. तो जहां पर दो फंक्शन के बीच में प्लस साइन आ जाए वहां पर हम लोग log नहीं ले सकते हैं. log निकालने पर इसका डिफरेंशिएशन निकालने के लिए we are just going to consider one as u, another as v, and after that we are going to differentiate. Let us take one more problems. Now let us take one more problems, that is 11th one. 11th one is what, that is एक next question इसी पर बेस्ड लेते हैं. Now let y is equal to that is log x whole to the power x plus x to the power that is log x. Now here this is which form is this one? One function is in the power of another function. Here also one function is in the power of another function. As there is a plus sign between them, so you cannot take the log. Why you cannot take the log? Because log m plus n is not equal to log m plus log n. log m into n is equal to होता है log m plus log n. अगर उनके बीच में मल्टीप्लिकेशन होता तो डायरेक्ट हम log ले सकते थे. अगर आप बाई मिस्टेक यहाँ पर डायरेक्ट log ले लेंगे तो प्रॉब्लम आपका गलत हो जाएगा. उसके आगे कोई चेक नहीं करेगा एंड यू विल बी द सफरर. y is equal to log x whole to the power x plus x to the power log x. ऐसे प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करने के लिए क्या करते हैं, फर्स्ट वन को हमने सपोज कर लिया u और सेकंड वन को सपोज कर लिया v. सो व्हाट वी हैव, y is equal to u plus v. इसको u सपोज किया, इसको v, तो y is equal to u plus v. नाउ डिफरेंशिएटिंग विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x, डिफरेंशिएटिंग विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x क्या आएगा, that is dy over dx, it is equal to du over dx plus dv over dx, and it is equation number 1. That means what, in order to find out the value of dy over dx, we are supposed to find out the value of du over dx and dv over dx. d over dx और dv over dx को separately निकालना है. तो कैसे निकालेंगे बेटा, so this is equal to what, u is equal to, now u is equal to log x whole to the power x. Now here one function is in the power of another function. You can take the log of both the sides. Taking log of both the sides, that is equal to log of u, और इसका क्या हो जाएगा, पावर पहले आ जाएगी, so that is x log of x. Now differentiating with respect to x, डिफरेंशिएटिंग विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x क्या आएगा, दैट इज d over dx of this is log of u, that is equal to first function into differentiation of second function, that is log of x, and plus this is log of x into differentiation of x. अब इसको डिफरेंशिएट करना है बेटा. देखिए क्या आएगा, log u का डिफरेंशिएशन क्या होगा, that is 1 upon u, and u का क्या होगा, that is du over dx by chain rule. डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ log u, that is 1 upon u, and u का डिफरेंशिएशन that is du over dx. It is product of two function, that is what, x. डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ log x, log x का क्या होगा, 1 upon this is log x, और log x का क्या आएगा, that is 1 upon x, and plus this is log log x और x का डिफरेंशिएशन कितना हो जाएगा 1, यहाँ पर x से x कैंसिल हो जाएगा एंड देयरफॉर du over dx is equal to u times of 1 plus this is what log of x. ये ध्यान में रखिएगा, log का बेस नहीं मेंशन है तो वो that is always considered as a e in differentiation. So now this is put the value of u, du over dx. So what is the value of u? U is equal to how much? Log x whole to the power x. So that is equal to log x whole to the power x into 1 plus this is log of x and this is the value of du over dx. अब आपको निकालना dv over dx. For that v is equal to how much? X to the power log x. Now again taking log of both the sides. So what we have? This is what log of v that is equal to power पहले आ जाएगी log x into log x. Therefore log v is equal to that is what log of x and its whole square. Now differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x क्या आएगा? d over dx of this is log of v is equal to d over dx of this is what log of x to whole square. Differentiation of log v that will be equal to how much? 1 upon v times of dv over dx. And now differentiation of log x to whole square that is 2 times of log x and differentiation of log x is 1. Differentiation of log x is log v is equal to how much? That is 1 upon v and differentiation of v is what? dv over dx and log x to whole square. As you know differentiation of x square is what? That is 2x और x का 1 होता है. यहाँ x के प्लेस पर कितना है? That is log x. So differentiation of log x to whole square that is 2 log x and differentiation of log x is equal to 1 upon x. Use cross multiplication. Therefore dv over dx is equal to v times of 2 upon x into log of x. Now put the value of v. V की वैल्यू कितनी है? That is x to the power log x. Yeah, you can say this is x to the power log x. Put it here. So therefore dv over dx is equal to x to the power log of x into this is 2 upon x into log of x. Now you have got the value of dv over dx, but you have to find out the value of dy over dx. In order to find out the value of dy over dx, put the value of du over dx and dv over dx here. So now you see that is what from this one from here this is what dy over dx is equal to du over dx is equal to how much? This much. This is the value of du over dx. So that is equal to log of x whole to the power x. This is 1 plus log of x हो गया and plus this is what is the dv over dx. dv over dx is this one. So this is what x to the power log of x into this is 2 upon x into log of x and this is the required result. यही हो गया वैल्यू dy over dx की. So I am taking some more problems. कुछ और प्रॉब्लम्स लेते हैं बेटा to make you understand. Now the question number 12. Question number 12 वो कंडीशनल प्रॉब्लम होते हैं, उसमें dy by dx के लिए एक रिलेशन निकालना होता है. अगर कंडीशनल प्रॉब्लम दिए हैं तो कहां पर हम लोग लॉग का यूज कर सकते हैं, बस फंडा सेम है. When one function is in the power of another function. Now this is what question number 12 I am taking here. Question number 12 is 12 क्या है? If y is equal to x to the power y, then you are supposed to prove that here x times of dy over dx is equal to y square upon 1 minus y log of x. ये आपको प्रूफ करना है. देखिए यहां पर इसको प्रूफ करने के लिए क्या हो जाएगा, y is equal to x to the power y. Left side it is y, right side is what, x to the power y. Right side is what, that is one function is in the power of another function. So taking log of both the sides, you just write yourself, taking log of both the sides. Now I'm just showing it only. Log of y, that is y times of log of x. Now differentiating with respect to x, क्या हो जाएगा, that is d over dx of log of y. It is product of two functions, y into d over dx of log x plus this is log x into d over dx of y. It is product of two function. First function, इसका differentiation क्या होगा, first function into differentiation of second function plus second function into differentiation of first function. What is differentiation of log y? So that is 1 upon y, and differentiation of y is what, dy over dx. This is what y, and log x का क्या होगा, that is 1 upon x plus this is what log of x, y का क्या हो जाएगा, dy over dx. Now use cross multiplication, therefore dy over dx is equal to how much, y times of y upon x. This is what, log x into dy over dx. Open this bracket, that is equal to how much, y square upon x plus this is what, log of x, this is what, y का मल्टीप्लाई होगा तो y log x into कितना हो जाएगा, that is dy over dx. Now you got dy over dx is equal to, that is y square upon x plus y times of log x into dy over dx. Now you have to simplify the value of dy over dx. Collect all the terms consisting dy over dx on the left side. So it is here. This is what, dy over dx minus y times of log x into dy over dx is equal to y square upon x. Now what is common here, dy over dx is common. So what you will get, this is 1 minus y times of log x times of dy over dx, that is equal to y square upon x, and therefore dy over dx is equal to y square upon x 1 minus y log x. अब आप देखिए आपको प्रूफ क्या करना है, ये वाला x जो है इसको इस साइड में ले आना, because they are showing that proof that x dy over dx is equal to y square upon 1 minus y log x. So use cross multiplication, so it is x times of dy over dx is equal to y square upon 1 minus y times of log of x, and this result you had to prove. चलिए इसी से रिलेटेड और भी प्रॉब्लम्स लेते हैं. Question number 13. Question number 13, that is what, if question number 13, if this is what, x to the power y is equal to e to the power x minus y, then you are supposed to here prove, that is what you are supposed to prove here, dy over dx. dy over dx is equal to, that is log x upon, it is log of ex to whole square. This is the result which you are supposed to prove here. Now here this is x to the power y is equal to e to the power x minus y. Here one function is in the power of another function, so only the same process, that is what you are going to take the log of both the sides. Now take log of both the sides. So here you will write taking log of both the sides, क्या हो जाएगा, y log of x, that is equal to x minus y into log of e. e बेस पर e है, e बेस पर log लेते हैं तो क्या हो जाएगा, log e to the base e. इसकी वैल्यू कितनी हो जाएगी, its value is going to be 1 into x minus y, that is x minus y. So it is y times of log x is equal to x minus y. When you are taking log of both the sides, you are getting y log x, पावर पहले आ जाती है, e to the power x minus y, पावर पहले आ गई, x minus log e हो गया, बेस नहीं मेंशन होता, then we are going to take e as the standard base. e as the standard base, the value of log e to the base e, that is equal to 1, because you know one fundamental of log of any number to the same base is always 1. Now you are supposed to find out dy over dx, तो y को एक साइड में ले आओ, this is y log of x, that is plus of y is equal to x. Now y is common here, log x plus 1, it is log x plus 1 is equal to 1. Now y is equal to x upon 1 plus of log x. Now differentiating with respect to x, इसको differentiate करेंगे, differentiating with respect to x, differentiating with respect to x, what we have, that is dy over dx is equal to d over dx is equal to d over dx of x upon 1 plus of log of x. अब इसको बेटा क्या है, कोसेंट लॉ अप्लाई करेंगे. इन कोसेंट लॉ, डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ u अपॉन v, डिफरेंशिएशन of quotient of two functions, that is equal to denominator into differentiation of numerator minus numerator into differentiation of denominator. So क्या आ जाएगा, dy over dx is equal to, that is what, denominator, that is 1 plus of log x into differentiation of numerator minus numerator into differentiation of denominator, that is 1 plus log x, and it is what, square of this 1 plus log x. Now this is what, dy over dx, that is equal to 1 plus of, this is log of x, log x, x का differentiation कितना होता है, that is 1, minus it is what, x log x, 1 plus 1 का differentiation 0, log x का 1 upon x upon this is 1 plus log of x to whole square. यहाँ x से x cancel हो जाएगा, then what you will have, dy over dx is equal to 1 plus log x minus 1 upon this is 1 plus log of x to whole square. Now this is what, minus 1 is cancelled out by plus 1, so finally you have got dy over dx, that is equal to how much, it is log x upon 1 plus of log x to whole square. ये आगे dy by dx जो रिजल्ट आया, ये हमारा, ये इससे मिल नहीं रहा है, that is what, ये कुछ डिफरेंट लिखा हुआ है, लेकिन ये भी करेक्ट है, वो भी करेक्ट है, तो उससे ये कैसे लाएंगे, देखिए, that is equal to, न्यूमरेटर तो बिल्कुल मिल रहा, that is log x. Now this is what, जब log का बेस नहीं गिवन होता है तो उसको हम लोग क्या सपोज करते हैं, that is e. जैसे this is what log of, this is what log of e to the base e, that is equal to 1. बेस हटा दीजिए तो क्या होगा, that is equal to log e, क्योंकि अगर बेस नहीं मेंशन है then we are going to take e as the standard base. तो यहाँ पर क्या है, that is what, this 1 can be written as what, that is log of e. Log of e means what, log e to the base e. Log e to the base e is what, that is 1, and this is plus of log of x to whole square. इसका भी बेस e है, log m plus log n क्या होता है, that is log m into n. तो यहाँ से निकल करके आएगा dy over dx is equal to log x upon, this is log of ex to whole square, and this you had to prove, यही आपको प्रूफ करना था. So let us take few more problems. दो प्रॉब्लम्स और लेते हैं बेटा. So these are the varieties of the problems, differentiation by using log. Now one problem I am taking here, that is what, if यहाँ पर दिया हुआ f of x, that is equal to 1 plus x into 1 plus x square into 1 plus x to the power 4 into 1 plus x to the power 8, and you are supposed to find out the value of f dash 1. You know meaning of f dash x? F dash x means what? That is d over dx of fx. So in order to find out in order to find out difference value of f dash 1, first of all we will have to calculate the value of f dash x. F dash x means what? D over dx of fx. So now here there are many functions which are just multiplied, so only one option, take the log of both the sides. Now taking log of both the sides क्या आएगा? That is equal to log of f of x, that is equal to log of 1 plus x into, this is what, plus log of 1 plus x square plus a log of 1 plus x to the power 4 plus this is a log of 1 plus x to the power 8. Multiplication होता है तो sum में आ जाता है after taking the log. Now differentiating with respect to x, differentiating with respect to x, that is what? D over dx of log of f of x, that is equal to d over dx of log of 1 plus x plus d over dx of log of 1 plus x square plus d over dx of log of 1 plus x to the power 4 plus d over dx of 1 plus, this is log of 1 plus x to the power 8. अब इसको differentiate करिए. You know differentiation of log x is equal to 1 upon x. So what will be the differentiation of log fx? तो क्या हो जाएगा? That will be 1 upon fx, and differentiation of fx, that is equal to f dash x by chain rule. Differentiation of log 1 plus x, this is what? 1 upon 1 plus x. 1 plus x का क्या होगा? 0 plus 1. 1 का 0 और x का 1, इसका क्या हो जाएगा? log 1 plus x स्क्वायर का 1 upon 1 plus x स्क्वायर, एंड 1 plus x स्क्वायर का क्या होगा? 0 plus 2x plus this is 1 upon 1 plus x to the power 4, 0 plus this is 4x cube. डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ log 1 plus x पावर 4 क्या होगा? 1 upon 1 plus x पावर 4, 1 plus x पावर 4 का क्या होगा? डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ 1 is 0 and 1 is constant, इसका डिफरेंस 0 होगा, and डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ x पावर 4, that is 4x cube, and plus this is 1 upon 1 plus x to the power 8, and differentiation of 1 plus x power 8 is what? That is 0 plus 8x to the power 7. Now use cross multiplication, find f dash x. F dash x is equal to how much? That is fx. It is what? 1 upon 1 plus x, and plus this is 2x upon 1 plus x square. This is what? 4x cube upon 1 plus x to the power 4, and plus this is 8x to the power 7 upon 1 plus x to the power 8. यहाँ तक आ गया. Now you put the value of fx. So therefore f dash x is equal to, in place of fx ये वैल्यू रिप्लेस हो जाएगी. So that is equal to 1 plus x into 1 plus x square into 1 plus x to the power 4 into 1 plus x to the power 4 into the quantity which is this is inside the bracket, that is 1 upon 1 plus x plus 2x upon 1 plus x square plus 4x cube upon 1 plus x to the power 4 plus 8x to the power 7 upon 1 plus x to the power 8. This is the value of f dash x. आपको f dash x मालूम हो गया. Now you are supposed to find out the value of f dash 1. So x will be replaced by 1. So putting here x is equal to 1. Now putting x is equal to 1, तो कितना आएगा? f dash 1 is equal to, this is 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 का स्क्वायर क्या आएगा? 1, 1 की पावर 4 भी क्या आएगा? 1, and 1 की पावर 8 भी क्या आएगा? 1. This is what? 1 upon, this is 1 plus 1, this is 2 into 1 upon 1 plus 1, and this is 4 into 1 plus, this is 4 into 1 to whole cube upon, this is 1 plus 1, this is 8 into 1 to the power 7 upon 1 plus 1. 1 की कुछ भी पावर होगी उसकी वैल्यू 1 आएगी. इसको सिंप्लीफाई करो. So that is what f dash 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 1 is 2, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. इसके बाद क्या आएगा ब्रैकेट में? This is 1 upon 2 plus this is what 2 upon 2, and this is what 4 upon 2, and this is what 8 upon 2. This is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. यहाँ पर 2 LCM ले लो, कितना आएगा 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8. एक 2 यहाँ से कैंसिल हो गया, यहाँ 2 into 2 into 2 that is equal to 8 multiplied by 1 plus 2 plus 4. 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 2 that is 14, 14 plus 1 is what, that is 15. और जब मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे यहाँ से रिजल्ट निकल करके आएगा f dash 1 is equal to 8 into 15, and therefore f dash 1 is equal to 15 to the 30, and 30 into 4 that is equal to 120, and this is the required result. This is the required result. So इस टाइप से प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करेंगे. सो आई थिंक दीज आर द डिफरेंट वेराइटीज ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम्स. वैसे चलिए एक प्रॉब्लम्स और ले लेते हैं, बस दैट विल बी द लास्ट वन. Now here the problem is what, that is x to the power y plus y to the power x is equal to a to the power b, where a and b they are constants. Now we are supposed to find out the value of dy over dx. Value of dy, x to the power y plus y to the power x, that is equal to a to the power b. With the help of this you are supposed to find out dy over dx. Now you see the first one, x to the power y means what, one function is in the power of another function. The second one is what, y to the power x, one function is in the power of another function. As there is a plus sign between them, so you cannot differentiate it directly. अब अगर इसको हम डिफरेंशिएट नहीं कर सकते हैं डायरेक्ट, तो इसको सॉल्व कैसे कर, माने इसको डिफरेंशिएट नहीं कर सकते और डायरेक्ट, और इसको log भी डायरेक्ट नहीं ले सकते, एज देयर इज ए प्लस साइन बिटवीन देम. log ले लेंगे तो यहीं पर गलत हो जाएगा, बिकॉज log m plus log n is not equal to log m plus log n. now this is, you just suppose that is equal to how much u, और इसको v, तो क्या हो जाएगा, u plus v is equal to how much, a to the power b. Differentiating with respect to x क्या आएगा, du over dx plus dv over dx, that is d over dx of a to the power b. This is what, du over dx plus dv over dx, and a to the power v is constant, so its differentiation is 0. A and b both are constant, a to the power b that will also be constant, so differentiation of constant with respect to x, that is equal to how much, it is 0. Now we are supposed to find out the value of dy over dx. So first we will find the value of du over dx and dv over dx. du over dx or dv over dx दोनों की value that will come in terms of dy over dx, and finally we will solve the value of dy over dx. So first let us find out the value of du over dx. Now here u is equal to x to the power y. Taking log of both the sides, that is what, log u is equal to y times of log x. Now differentiating with respect to x क्या आएगा, d over dx of log of u, it is product of two functions y into d over dx of log x plus this is log x into d over dx of y. इसको सिंप्लीफाई करो, क्या आएगा, log u का क्या होगा, that is 1 upon u, और u का क्या आएगा, du over dx, that is equal to y. log x का क्या होगा, that is 1 upon x. What will be the differentiation of log x, that is 1 upon x, plus this is log x plus this is log x. Differentiation of y is what, that is dy over dx. Now use cross multiplication. This is what du over dx is equal to u times of y to the power x, y upon x, not y to the power x, it is y upon x, and plus this is log of x into dy over dx. Now put the value of u is equal to how much? That is x to the power y. So therefore du over dx is equal to x to the power y. It is y upon x plus of log x into dy over dx. हमने du over dx की वैल्यू निकाल लिया. Now we will find the value of dv over dx. So dv over dx निकालने के what is the value of v? V is equal to y to the power x. Now this is v is equal to y to the power x. Taking log of both the sides, that is what we can say log of v, that is x times of log of y. Now this is what differentiating with respect to x. So d over dx of this is log of b. It is product of two functions x into d over dx of log y plus log of y into d over dx of x. इसको सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं, देखते हैं क्या आता है. नाउ दिस इज व्हाट log v का डिफरेंशिएशन क्या होगा? दैट इज 1 अपॉन v टाइम्स ऑफ dv over dx. नाउ दिस इज x, log y का क्या होगा? दैट इज 1 अपॉन y, y का क्या हो जाएगा? दैट इज dy over dx, एंड दिस इज व्हाट log of y, एंड x का कितना हो जाएगा? दैट इज 1. देयरफॉर dv over dx is equal to v times of x upon y times of dy over dx plus of log of y. Now put the value of v, तो क्या हो जाएगा? That is dv over dx is equal to what is v? V is equal to y to the power x. This you can say that is what y to the power x into this is x upon y into dy over dx and plus of this is of log of y. Now put the value of dy over dx, dv over dx and du over dx in equation number 1, because you require the value of dy over dx. So in order to find out the value of du over dx, we will have to substitute the value of du over dx and dv over dx here. Now putting it here, यहाँ से आएगा इस इक्वेशन से क्या निकल करके आएगा? du over dx is what is the value of du over dx? du over dx हमने इतना निकाला है, this much, तो ये हो गया that is what x to the power y into y upon x plus this is log x into dy over dx. और dv over dx की वैल्यू निकाला है, ये वैल्यू पुट अप कर देंगे dv over dx के प्लेस पर, तो क्या आएगा? that is what y to the power x into this is x upon y plus x upon y times of dy over dx plus log of y. देखिए इक्वेशन नंबर 1 से आपके पास वैल्यू क्या आई थी? du over dx plus dv over dx is equal to 0. This is from the equation number 1. इक्वेशन अब du over dx की वैल्यू हमने यहां से सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दिया और वो ये है. dv over dx की वैल्यू क्या है? दिस वन, इसको यहां पर सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दिया एंड दैट इज इक्वल टू 0. अब इस इक्वेशन से आपको dy over dx निकाला. You are supposed to find out the value of dy over dx with the help of this equation. So simplify it. Now it is x power y, x से डिवाइड होगा, so that is what x to the power y minus 1 into y and plus x to the power y into it is log x times of dy over dx. y to the power x divided by y कितना हो जाएगा? y to the power x minus 1 into x times of dy over dx plus y to the power x into log y that is equal to 0. अब जिसमें dy over dx है उसको एक साइड में रखो और dy over dx कॉमन ले लो, बाकी को राइट साइड में ले जाओ. इन दोनों में dy over dx कॉमन लेंगे तो क्या आएगा? that is x to the power y into log x और यहां पर क्या आएगा? प्लस x into y to the power x minus 1 a times of dy over dx. This second and third terms में dy by dx कॉमन लिया, then this much is going to be left. इन दोनों को राइट साइड में ले जाएंगे तो नेगेटिव साइन हो जाएगा, माइनस दिस इज व्हाट y to the power x into log of y, and this is plus y into x to the power y minus 1 हो गया. Now dy over dx is equal to minus y to the power x into log of y into x to the power y minus 1. This is x to the power y into log x plus x into y to the power x minus 1, and this will be the required result. So I'm just completing this video here only beta. So in this way now you are having 2 videos on differentiation by using log. मैंने फर्स्ट वीडियो बताया, इन फर्स्ट वीडियो बेसिक फंडामेंटल्स और कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स. नाउ इन दिस वीडियो काफ़ी प्रॉब्लम्स डिफरेंट वेराइटीज की हमने लेकर के सॉल्व किया, कहाँ पर लॉग लेते हैं, कहाँ पर नहीं लेते हैं, क्यों नहीं लेते हैं, एवरीथिंग आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड इट. तो इसको चैप्टर्स को करने को यानी ये करने के पहले जस्ट यू गो थ्रू those videos which are on log. I've uploaded 2 videos on my channel, just go through it. ठीक है, you search on वर्मा सर मैथ्स एकेडमी में अगर आप सर्च करेंगे you will get 2 videos on log. उसको सीरियसली पढ़िए, उसके 8-10 जो फार्मूले हैं अच्छे से माइंड में सेट करिए, फिर उसके बाद इससे रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम. वैसे हमने यहाँ पर भी जितने फार्मूलों की रिक्वायरमेंट थी उसको दोबारा बना दिया है. ठीक है बेटा, इसको अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करो. सी यू, बाय.